Selamat pagi, hari ini tanggal 2 Maret 2020. Ya, ini bukan layar komputer Anda atau layar HP Anda yang miring ya, tapi inilah keadaan kami, kandas pagi ini. Jadi sekarang sedang surut dan ya, ini posisi kami, kandas seperti ini. Dan ini masih terus surut, jadi kami hanya menunggu sampai pasang. Dan sementara itu, ini saya posisi berdirinya aja sudah setengah mati. Ya, sementara kami menunggu. Hey Bu Hati.
What's up?
What's up? What's going on?
I'm just reading.
What happened? What happened to us?
Apparently our boat found the shallowest part in our anchorage. So we're waiting for the tide to come back in. In a few hours they will leave.
Okay.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Look, this is my side of my bunk, and everything's already falling. All right. Hopefully we're not sinking.
Well, technically we're already sunk.
No trick. Nothing. Zero gravity. See?
This is when you know you're in shape. You got good core strength. You can do a standing sit-up.
Oh, you can be an astronaut now. Look, nothing.
No, about 15 more minutes till low tide.
Unbelievable.
Alright, get a picture of you. What's up, Boo? Oh my goodness. How you doing?
I'm feeling like in a circus.
Yeah, there you go. Get your groove on.
This is good for core exercise.
Yeah, that's good thing we've been working on all those sit-ups.
Hey.
Well,
No hands! No!
alright. Well, I'm glad you're dealing with this pretty well.
Hey Bohati,
Hey,
it's been how many hours now?
since we first recognized,
It was
5:30.
5:30. Now it's 11. So 5
5.5
and a half hours?
Yeah.
Okay, so the high tide is coming.
Yeah, we're in the middle of incoming tide. I mean, we could wait, but we already called the tow company. They said we don't have to wait on high tide because we pay them. That's why it's important to find good anchorages. So we slept great last night, but about 5:30 in the morning we realized we drifted into shallow water and the tide was going out and it got us. So then we decided to wait for the high tide, which would have worked, but then fishing boats started going by and beating us up with their wake. So then we just want to get pulled off of here and start making our way again.
What did you do wrong?
I anchored at the wrong place. And I didn't get up in the middle of the night to check. Well, maybe if I would have got up in the middle of the night, maybe we would have readjusted something.
Sudah 5,5 jam kami menunggu. Lihat ini posisi saya masih miring, tidak karuan begini. Sudah 5,5 jam kami menunggu dan sebetulnya arus pasang sudah mulai datang ya, dan kami bisa saja menunggu sampai pasang yang kira-kira mungkin 1 atau 2 jam lagi. Tetapi terlalu banyak kapal-kapal lain yang lewat, terutama kapal bermotor. Mereka lewat dan gelombang imbasnya itu membuat kami semakin terpuruk dan ya rasanya tidak enak setiap kali harus merasakan gelombang imbas itu di saat kami kandas. Jadi akhirnya kami menelepon perusahaan derek untuk menarik kami keluar. Dan ya kami menunggu, seharusnya kira-kira 10 menit lagi mereka akan datang. Jadi ya kesalahan kami kali ini ya berjangkar di tempat yang terlalu dangkal, ya, dan tidak terlalu memperhatikan jadwal pasang surut. Jadi seharusnya saat pasang mungkin masih pagi-pagi saat pasang ya. Walaupun gelap seharusnya kami sudah bisa pergi dan berangkat meneruskan perjalanan. Karena kalau gelapnya pagi itu tidak terlalu menakutkan seperti gelapnya malam. It's 15 minutes before 12. We got finally lift up and continue the journey. What's the bad news, Wati?
Bad news is my tiller is really tight now, so we don't know what's wrong with it. We're not leaking anything, and we're still able to steer, but it's hard, which is going to make the auto helm work really hard. So I think if it doesn't loosen up for the day, we're going to have to get it lifted out in Daytona Beach and see what we did, what we damaged, and hopefully it can be fixed.
Okay.
But we'll keep on continuing. Hopefully it'll loosen up for the day.
Ya, sekarang jam 12 kurang 15 menit. Akhirnya kami sudah bisa melanjutkan perjalanan ya. Tetapi sayangnya tiller kami atau kemudi kami ini jadi berat sekali. Mungkin mudah-mudahan sih hanya karena terlalu banyak lumpur yang menempel ya, dan itu akan lepas sendirinya perlahan-lahan. Tetapi sekarang saya tidak berani mengemudi karena terlalu berat, tidak bisa bermanuver. Ya, kita lihat saja nanti apakah kami harus mengangkat kapal ini untuk melihat efeknya terhadap tiller. Tidak tahu. Sekarang kami hanya meneruskan perjalanan. Ya, sekarang saya yang memegang kemudi. Tadi saya bilang saya tidak mau memegang kemudi ya, karena setirnya atau tillernya kaku. Tetapi sekarang sudah kembali normal. Jadi ya, alhamdulillah tidak harus ketakutan. Wati, how's the steering now?
Okay.
Bagus.
Said a little prayer saying, hey, give us a break, Lord. And about 10 minutes later, it loosened right up.
Is that how you pray?
Not exactly. But yeah, we're back to whole again. I'm thinking we might still get the boat pulled out at some point because we've hit bottom quite a bit. And it's been 9 months since we did the bottom paint, so maybe it's time to pull it out of the water, get it hosed off, take a look at it, and maybe we'll put another gallon of paint on it.
Good evening, Buah Hati.
Good evening back at you, Buhati.
Where are we now?
What was it? Tomoka Basin?
Yeah, more.
There was an anchorage identified on our chart, but when we got there, it was too shallow for us, so we had to keep on pushing and we found a spot that had a sounding right off the channel that was 6 foot deep. And we just skirted the channel until we got less than 7 foot, and we dropped an anchor out front, and then we dropped an anchor out back. I think it's called a Bohemian or something, so that we don't swing all over the place at night, since we're right close to the channel. It keeps us in line with the channel, sort of keeps us in line with the wind, which will help. And there isn't a whole lot of current here. Like, I think it's because the inlets are so far apart. The tidal range here, according to the chart plotter, the tidal range is less than a foot. So our depth shouldn't change a lot tonight. And that's it. We had a slow day, late start today because we were stuck last night because we thought we had a good anchorage, but when we woke up at 5:30 in the morning, we was already on the ground. And then the tide was going out, and we waited, and we ended up having to call a tow. Somebody to rip us off the sandbar. So, yeah, it was an adventure. Hopefully tonight's better. And then tomorrow, we're going to go to Daytona Beach, get some fuel, reprovision, hopefully get a shower, so we don't have to bathe in salt water forever. What's up, Buati?
Ya, selamat sore menjelang malam. Akhirnya kami harus berjangkar lagi karena kami telat memulai hari ini ya, karena tadi pagi kandas. Jadi kami baru berangkat siang, mungkin beberapa menit ya, 15 menit sebelum jam 12 siang. Jadi sampai sinar matahari masih ada ya, kami hanya ada di tempat ini, tidak ada marina di dekat-dekat sini. Kalau mau ya masih jauh, dan berarti itu sudah terlalu malam. Jadi ya kami harus berjangkar lagi. Tapi sekarang kami membuang 2 jangkar, jadi di depan dan di belakang, supaya tidak terlalu terombang-ambing, terbawa seperti pengalaman malam sebelumnya. Dan ya, besok pagi kami akan melanjutkan perjalanan, dan kami harus berhenti di marina yang ada untuk mengisi bensin dan juga mandi tentu saja. Dan kami akan meneruskan perjalanan lagi berikutnya. Good morning, Buah Hati.
Morning.
Today is 3rd of March, I
Yep.
think, 2020.
Yep.
So what's the plan for today?
Halifax Harbor Marina. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna get gas. And they said they're gonna let us tie up for a few hours so we can reprovision, and hopefully get a shower, and hopefully plug in a little bit to charge our batteries. And then we continue south, and there's no good marinas where our range for the day. So it looks like we're going to anchor for the 3rd night in a row. But last night was great. It was a low of 61. We was right along the channel in 7 foot of water, and the tidal range wasn't bad. It was great. So, and today's the first day that I've been traveling that I haven't had to have ski pants on or something. So
the anchoring strategy last night worked.
yes, except the anchors were covered in a thick, gooey mud that looked like melted brown crayons, and now it's all over our deck. So our pretty boat is looks like a pig in a pigsty right now.
Okay.
So we gotta clean that up. It's the downside of anchoring, I guess. Not good light. Okay.
Selamat pagi. Hari ini tanggal 3 Maret 2020 ya. Dan kami ini baru jam 8, tapi kami sudah berangkat dari jam 6.45 pagi. Untuk terus ke selatan untuk mengejar tempat hangat, mengejar banyak mil laut untuk di cover. Tapi sebelumnya kami akan singgah di marina untuk mengisi bahan bakar dan juga mungkin mandi dan ya membeli makanan karena sudah banyak yang habis ya. Ya, jadi kami akan melakukan itu dan meneruskan perjalanan. Kemungkinan kami akan berjangkar lagi karena kalau melihat dari rata-rata jauhnya perjalanan kami itu nanti tidak akan ada marina di sekitar, jadi kami harus berjangkar lagi malam ini. My buah hati enjoying Florida.
Yeah, I'm going Florida. Glad to be here. Reading my new book, The Boat That Wouldn't Float.
You like it?
Yeah, it's funny. Really funny. Hoping it doesn't define our vacation in any way. Little boat cleaning.
It's not cold.
It's not dark. The water's not actually too bad. It's like 66 degrees. A little chilly when you first get in it. We got like an hour of daylight left, so we're gonna do a little bottom cleaning. It's Mosquito Lagoon.
Ini tempat kami berjangkar
Watch for shark fins.
malam ini. It works. Good morning, buah hati.
Good morning. Selamat pagi.
Aw.
Pagi.
Today is
4.
4 of March 2020. So, what's the update?
This is Mosquito Lagoon. It's a really shallow lagoon. We found a spot that was nice and flat, about 6 foot, and we dropped anchor and had a great night because we had all this room to swing around, so we didn't have to worry about swimming into shallow water or nothing. We're coming up on a little cut to take us from Mosquito Lagoon to I think what is Indian River, and I think we're getting close to the Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral stuff. They have like a security zone up here, but it's going to be a pleasant day. And today we got up super early and got started because we are going to try to make a big push to Melbourne, and we're going to get a marina tonight, hopefully, because we've been anchored for 3 days.
It's a record.
Yeah, that's a record, which is what we wanted to do. It saves us a lot of money anchoring, and plus it's a lot less stuff. All you gotta do is put the anchor out, put the anchor back, and you don't have to get fenders and tie off and plug in. But we need to charge our battery bank and get showers, and I don't know, generally feel like we're connected to society again.
Selamat pagi, hari ini tanggal 4 Maret 2020. Ya, semalam kami berjangkar, jadi sudah 3 malam berturut-turut kami berjangkar. Dan sekarang mudah-mudahan kami bisa mendapat marina malam ini, ya hari ini malam ini. Dan ya kami meneruskan perjalanan. Tempat berjangkarnya bagus, dan anehnya tidak diinformasikan di peta bahwa itu tempat berjangkar. Agak aneh, tapi kedalamannya cocok dan juga cukup besar ya, areanya cukup besar, jadi sangat-sangat menyenangkan. Jadi sekarang kami melanjutkan perjalanan. Mudah-mudahan kami bisa sampai di marina dan bisa mandi dengan sesungguhnya ya, tidak mandi kucing, dan ya bersosialisasi.
Good book.
Just started.
Oh, brand new.
I already finished 2 Agatha Christie. Now I start the 3rd.
I haven't finished my first book yet.
Because you quit.
Yeah, that's me. I'm a quitter.
Good morning, Bu Hati. Today is 5th of March. Yeah, it's been a week now. It's the 7th day. We are in Florida. And today is like almost 9 o'clock. What are you doing?
Putting a new coat of poly on our combings because we're not moving. And gotta stay ahead of it. Telemar Marina in Indian Harbor Beach. I didn't really like it at first because we don't have floating docks here. But we tied up last night, and it seems like we're tied up pretty good, so there was no issues. And there's always plenty to look at because we have the rowing club down the way, and so you have all these young, fit people rowing by all day long. So it ought to be an interesting stay. We paid for a week because it was cheap. It was like $200 for a whole week. So,
What do you plan? Are we going to stay for a week?
No. Well, I hope not. We're gonna rework the solar panels because our solar panel doesn't seem to be working anymore after it took a dip in the water. We're gonna do some touch-up paint. We're gonna rework the reefing system We're gonna put that cheek block and an eye bolt and stuff on the boom so that we can reef easier and better. What else? We're gonna get our new grill top for the
Woohoo!
one that I missed.
Oh, that's most important.
Yeah, that way we can start having tasty steaks again. Ribeye fish is the best fish. What else? I think one day we have some heavy winds coming, so I think we're gonna put the storm sails up and go out and practice with the storm sails right here on the Indian River. That way, the first time we need storm sails ain't the first time we use them. And I think we might test our sea anchor as well that same day. And you can visit some friends.
Selamat pagi, hari ini tanggal 5 Maret 2020 dan ini hari ke-7 kami berada di Florida ya. Jadi sudah 1 minggu, tepat 1 minggu. Dan selama 1 minggu itu hanya 2 kali kami tinggal di Marina. Ini ya karena kalau bisa dilihat di video sebelumnya ya, kenapa kami hanya 2 kali tinggal di Marina. Ya jadi sekarang kami sudah berada di Indian Harbor Beach dan kebetulan saya mempunyai teman kuliah S1 di jurusan biologi Universitas Indonesia yang sekarang tinggal di Indian Harbor Beach ini. Jadi mungkin kami akan tinggal di sini 2 malam atau 3 malam ya, tergantung untuk tidak hanya bersilaturahmi tetapi juga memperbaiki kapal ya, karena kami sudah berjalan selama 3 minggu lebih. Jadi ada hal-hal yang harus diperbaiki ya, dibersihkan. Ya, itu yang akan kami lakukan sekarang. Ya, dan juga sepertinya akan ada badai dingin lagi. Jadi ya lebih baik kami tinggal di Marina, dan mungkin juga saat badai kami akan mencoba layar khusus untuk badai ya, mungkin. Jadi sementara kami akan tinggal di sini untuk 2 atau 3 hari sebelum melanjutkan perjalanan ke selatan. Good morning, Bu Hati.
Good morning.
Today is 6th of March 2020. Where are we going?
It's going south.
With car? Not with boat?
A1A, Highway A1A in Melbourne, Florida. Actually, Indian Harbor Beach, Florida. And we parked the boat in a local marina to do some maintenance, to visit some friends, and we're gonna do some rehearsals on the boat with our storm sails and our sea anchor. And right now we are gonna go to a food bank and donate some of our provisions that we put on the boat.
Why we donate them?
Because they're not working out as far as the sailboat goes. They're like dehydrated meals, and they take way too much fresh water and way too much cooking time, so it burns up our butane too much. So it's easier to get like food that's already cooked, like canned food or pre-cooked meatballs
at the light,
or sausages.
use the right 2 lanes to turn right.
And mix them all together, because then you basically just got to heat them through. So you're only using about 2 or 3 minutes of butane.
Turn right.
These things take like 15 minutes. So we're going to donate it all, and we're making room for other stuff, other tasty things. Maybe chocolate.
Oke. Selamat pagi. Hari ini tanggal 6 Maret 2020 ya, dan kami sekarang berada di dalam mobil. Ya, kami masih di Indian Harbor Beach ya. Selain untuk mengunjungi teman, kami juga ya merapikan kapal ya, seperti mengecat ulang cat-cat yang sudah terkelupas dan memperbaiki ya hal-hal yang sudah mulai agak terganggu. Dan satu hal lagi, sekarang ini kami akan mendonasikan beberapa makanan kami. Jadi sewaktu kami mau berangkat itu kami mendapat sumbangan ya atau donasi dari temannya Monty, itu berupa makanan kering. Makanan kering ini adalah makanan yang sudah didehidrasi benar-benar ya, jadi benar-benar kering. Dan untuk memasaknya itu dibutuhkan air yang banyak dan waktu yang lama. Jadi benar-benar menghabiskan banyak sumber daya, banyak energi ya. Nah itu tidak praktis untuk kami. Jadi ya sudah, kami hanya makan mungkin 2 atau 3 kali dan merasa ya tidak baik karena ya terlalu lama menunggunya, tidak bagus. Lebih baik kami membeli makanan yang segar ya. Saat berhenti di Marina ini kan biasanya kami pergi ke supermarket untuk membeli makanan segar dan juga dicampur dengan makanan kaleng, dan itu tinggal dipanaskan saja ya, mungkin 3 menit sampai 5 menit sudah cukup, tidak memakan banyak energi. Ya, jadi kami akan mendonasikan makanan-makanan kering ini dan kami akan menyetok makanan lain yang sesuai dengan kebutuhan kami. Hi Boati.
Hey.
It's been 3 days we are staying here in Indian Harbor Beach, and today is 7th of March 2020. So what's the plan?
We're just relaxing today. We're going to go out to dinner tonight with some friends. We did a lot of work to the boat. We rigged up the storm sails. Because today, I don't know if you can tell because of the flags or whatever, but it's really windy. We're just going to test the storm sails today, but the marina is really tight. Really want to go in and out unnecessarily.
Say it again, that it doesn't have floating docks.
It doesn't have floating docks, so it all has these piers, and it's tight, and the canal's tight. So I don't want to go in and out more than I have to because it's just difficult. So we're going to leave the storm sails up because it's supposed to be windy like this for the next couple of days. And when we shove off tomorrow morning, we'll be able to pop the sails up and try them out while we're heading in the direction we want to go. So while we was here, we figured out what the problem was with our solar panel. The West Marine here was kind enough to do all the legwork for us, and the solar panel company is going to replace it, but they didn't have one here. So they took one off the shelf in West Marine down in Fort Lauderdale. So when we go through there, we'll have to stop there and get a new solar panel. We put a new coat of varnish, Epiphanes on the Brightwork, track user, and up on the anchor chocks. Did some touch-up paint here and there, cleaned up the boat generally, and we re-provisioned. We got a bunch of grocery stockpiled because from here on out we're going to be looking for a weather window to make our crossing to the Bahamas. Right now it looks like the soonest we could possibly do it is the 15th of March.
Okay.
Hey.
Hi.
How you doing on this day of 7 March 2020?
Doing fine. It's relaxing.
Yeah.
Relaxing day.
Well, why are we here?
Ya, jadi ini sudah kami sudah 3 hari berada di Indian Harbor Beach. Tidak hanya untuk bertemu dengan teman, tetapi juga sekalian membersihkan kapal, ya, merapikan kapal, dan juga membeli tambahan makanan di kapal. Yes, dan hari ini anginnya sangat berangin. Dan kami sebetulnya sudah menyiapkan layar untuk badai. Ya, kami menyiapkan layar untuk badai. Tetapi marina ini sangat sempit, ya, kanalnya sempit, lalu juga posisi parkirnya antara satu patok dengan patok lainnya sangat sempit. Ya, sangat sempit. Jadi cukup membuat malas untuk bermanuver di sini. Jadi kami pikir ya sudah, besok saja sekalian kami pergi, kami akan memakai layar untuk badai atau storm sail. Ya, dari hari ini kami akan bersantai, dan nanti malam kami akan makan malam dengan teman kami, dengan Lulu dan David. Dan ya, apalagi ya, ya, kami sudah sedikit mengecat kapal, dan juga terakhir waktu kami kandas ada masalah dengan panel surya, ya, atau solar panel. Dan kami sudah membawa kembali ke toko West Marine di mana kami membeli. Mereka bisa menggantinya, tetapi mereka tidak punya stok di sini. Jadi kami harus mengambilnya atau mendapatkan stok yang baru di Fort Lauderdale. Ya, jadi nanti kalau kami berlayar ke sana, kami akan singgah dan mengambil panel surya yang baru. Ya, sepertinya itu saja. Selebihnya kami akan bersantai-santai dulu karena ini sudah memasuki liburan untuk kami.